Hello, everyone. From naturally sour tamarind fruit to culinary products, this is the journey of tamarind. In sun-drenched groves, skilled harvesters begin the careful process. In the sun-drenched tamarind groves, skilled hands begin the delicate harvest of ripe pods. The journey begins, bringing fresh tamarind from farm to factory. The journey begins as fresh tamarind pods arrive at the pristine factory loading bay. Each crate is carefully transferred onto a robust conveyor system, ready for the next stage. The journey begins as fresh tamarind pods arrive for meticulous inspection. Each pod undergoes careful scrutiny to ensure only the highest quality continues.
This one's got a
Multiple
soft spot
skilled
right here.
American workers ensure every pod meets rigorous quality standards. This meticulous hand sorting is crucial for producing the finest tamarind products. Automated systems meticulously wash and prepare tamarind pods for further processing. Inside, gentle water jets cleanse each pod thoroughly, ensuring purity. Post-wash, pods enter the air-drying tunnel, removing every trace of surface moisture. Perfectly dry, the pods are ready for the next precise stage of their transformation. The mechanical cracker delicately fractures brittle shells, preserving the precious pulp within. Skilled operators ensure the machine's seamless operation, guaranteeing optimal pulp quality. Each pod is carefully processed, separating shell from pulp for the next stage. At the manual deshelling line, skilled workers meticulously prepare the tamarind for processing. Each pod requires careful attention to ensure optimal quality and yield. The precise movements of each worker ensure a clean separation of pulp from shell. The factory atmosphere promotes focus, ensuring every piece of tamarind is perfectly deshelled. Experience and dedication guide every hand that touches the delicate fruit. Every piece of tamarind is carefully inspected during this critical manual stage. The meticulous deshelling process prepares the tamarind for its next transformation. The human touch ensures the highest quality, a hallmark of our production. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. The result is pure, unadulterated tamarind pulp, ready for the next stage of production. The relentless pursuit of quality defines every stage of tamarind production. From pod to pulp, every step is a testament to dedicated craftsmanship. Every seed and tough fiber is carefully extracted to ensure premium quality. Quality control is continuous, ensuring only the finest pulp proceeds to the next stage. The removed seeds and fibers are efficiently discarded, ensuring a pristine processing environment. The texture and purity of the tamarind pulp is continuously refined, enhancing its natural flavor. The de-seeding and de-fibering line operates with seamless coordination. Each stage of processing elevates the tamarind to its purest, most flavorful form. The heart of quality tamarind processing lies in the precise separation of components. The clean tamarind pulp is now ready for the next transformation into sour paste or fine powder. Skilled operators meticulously prepare cleaned tamarind pulp for compaction. The powerful hydraulic press transforms loose pulp into dense, uniform blocks. Each perfectly formed block signifies the successful transformation of raw pulp. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Uniform tamarind blocks are neatly stacked, ready for the next stage of processing. Expert hands carefully extract perfectly formed tamarind blocks. ensuring pristine quality. Each perfectly inspected block is then carefully placed onto sterile trays, ready for the next stage. The sterile trays, now filled with premium tamarind, await their final journey to packaging. Through careful visual inspection, quality control is maintained at every step of the process. From meticulous inspection to organized preparation, every block signifies our commitment to excellence. Skilled American workers meticulously prepare tamarind pulp for dehydration, ensuring perfect consistency. Achieving an even, thin layer is crucial for optimal dehydration and quality. Once evenly spread, the tamarind pulp trays are ready for the crucial dehydration stage.
We need to monitor this section closely.
Yes, making sure the pulp is evenly spread before drying.
Every tray is carefully inspected, ensuring only the highest quality pulp proceeds to dehydration. Trays of fresh tamarind pulp enter the dehydrators, beginning their transformation. Precise controls ensure optimal conditions for the delicate dehydration process. The pulp steadily loses moisture, transforming in texture and color. Workers meticulously inspect the pulp, ensuring perfection in every batch. The dehydrators work tirelessly, ensuring perfect dryness. After hours of precise drying, the processed tamarind is ready for removal. Powerful grinders efficiently transform the dried tamarind into a fine, consistent powder. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Advanced sifting technology ensures only the finest tamarind powder moves to the next stage. Each batch of tamarind powder undergoes rigorous laboratory analysis for purity and consistency. Automated packaging machinery efficiently seals the tamarind powder into final consumer-ready bags. From raw pods to fine powder, every step ensures premium tamarind for global markets. Automated sifting refines the tamarind powder, ensuring uniform consistency and purity. Operators diligently monitor every stage, ensuring the machine performs flawlessly. Skilled American operators meticulously oversee the advanced sifting process, maintaining product integrity. The meticulously sifted powder is then transported for final, ultra-fine refinement. Quality control is paramount. Operators meticulously ensure every batch meets the highest standards. The high-speed flow wrapper machine efficiently seals each sour tamarind block, ensuring freshness. Skilled hands meticulously inspect each package, ensuring every seal is perfect. The carefully packaged sour tamarind blocks are now ready for shipment, a testament to quality. Precision packaging ensures every pouch of tamarind powder meets the highest quality standards. Each pouch is carefully filled to ensure consistent product quality and customer satisfaction. The automated heat sealing process guarantees airtight packaging, preserving freshness. From auger to sealed perfection, each step is controlled for optimal product quality. Every pouch is a testament to the factory's commitment to quality and excellence. From fine powder to perfectly sealed pouches, the journey culminates in superior quality.
These pods
Precision
look
and
perfect
care
today.
ensure
Very
every
moist.
package is perfectly
Yes, the
prepared
quality
for its
control
journey to
team did
consumers.
well.
Every pallet is a testament to the factory's commitment to quality and efficient delivery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. From pod to powder, the journey culminates in these carefully prepared shipments.
Check the seal on batch 7.
Looks good from here. We're
Ready for the world, each package carries the essence of the finest tamarind.